Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over properly posting the sales tax payment. Okay. Instead of going through the whole sales tax process, which I do have videos on that, I am going to just show you the sales tax report that I'm working with, okay? And in this case, you can see I just filtered, I did do for the month of March. We're just going to pretend that the month of March is over, okay? I know we're just starting it, but when I pulled this up, you can see that it is, based on this, there is no prepaid sales tax. There is $2,480.35 worth of sales tax due, okay? And when we went on the website and processed the sales tax return, it shows a balance due of $2,480.30, just no change. So it cut off the change, which it often does. Sometimes you'll get an early filing discount. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and took the template that I already had set up to make the payment. This is going to CDTFA, which isn't Florida, but let's pretend it is. I'm going to date it for March 31st. I always date it for the last day of the month. You can redate it to the date that you actually did it, but I'm going to explain why I backdate it because I want to confirm that it clears out the sales tax payable. That way, every month that we file, I start with a fresh, clean, zero balance, right? So here you can see my labels, but here I'm going to code it to Florida sales tax for the full amount on the report. See, it's $2,480.35, $2,480.35. Now, the taxing authority is the one that cut off the change or cut off a few dollars. And in this case, I'm going to code it to taxes and licenses. Okay. I may not leave it there the entire, like at the end of the year, but I want to track it. I want it to go to taxes and licenses. I've seen people do it to discounts. You can do that, but I usually use discounts for discounts that we give to others. This taxes and licenses, I put it here because it'll go up and down, due to rounding and other things. But at the end of the year, anything that we did pay was, due to that. And it is a tax, okay? Sales tax is not deductible on your tax return as a business. However, it is a liability. So that's what it is, okay? So once I post this, and I am, okay, I'm going to go ahead and post this. You can see here, it's going to pay $2,480 to the taxing authority. I'm going to post it. And then I always double check the balance sheet for March. Okay, I do it because, whoops, let me not do that. Let's go to the balance sheet first. And I just want to show you that I pull up the balance sheet because I like to see that there is no sales tax due. You can see there's no sales tax due on this, okay? So once I confirm that, I usually screenshot that and I save it with my backup because I like to know that when I did it, it did zero out. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and also check the general ledger for Florida sales tax. Show you what that looks like. Okay. And you can see here that at the beginning of the month, we started at a zero. Then we invoiced and it, gave me sales tax payable due. And then there was some voids and we re-invoiced. Okay. So that is why when we posted this payment, it zeroes back out. Okay, so that's how I know at the end of the month we zero out and we tie out to sales tax the way that I posted it. Okay, if there's any questions about what I've said, please leave them in the comments below. But this is how you do it, and my sales tax always ties out to the penny, and there's never any discrepancy, even to the sales tax authority. Okay, thank you so much.